Most people spend their entire lives measuring themselves against others, and losing. You see someone's confidence, their success, their life arranged perfectly on a screen, and your mind does what minds have always done. It compares, and in that comparison, it quietly concludes, they are more, therefore I am less. But here is what the mind never tells you. You are measuring their outside against your inside. Their highlight reel against your private reality, with all its doubt, its mess, its ordinary human struggle. That is not a fair comparison. It was never a fair comparison. The next time you feel small after looking at someone else's life, remember this. You are not seeing their life. You are seeing the version they chose to show. Behind it is a person with the same fears, the same hollow moments, the same quiet whisper that says, am I enough? You are not behind. You are not less. You are simply human, in the fullest and most honest sense of that word. To go deeper into this teaching, find the full video through the link in the channel. It may change the way you see yourself. Watch the full teaching in the channel